Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun St. Patrick's Day video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon shamrock. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute little four-leaf clover, let's begin by kind of laying out the shape. So I'm going to start by putting a little dot here. Then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to add another little dot. Then I'm going to put a dot here and then right over here. If you look, it kind of formed a diamond shape. So what we're going to do is let's start here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then back in. And then same thing here. I'm going to curve this up and back in. We'll do that same thing here. Kind of curve this up and then down just a tiny bit. And we'll do that same thing, up and down. Almost kind of like two hooks or two candy cane shapes. Next, we're going to kind of go down and up. And then do that same thing, down and then up. Just meet in the middle. Down and back in here. And then same thing, down and then back in. Now, let's give our little clover a face. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll try to make that same size circle right over here. I'm going to make a circle towards the top of each one, and then a smaller one at the bottom. Then we can just go ahead and color right around them, so we have two white circles in there. For the mouth, I'm going to draw a line right across. Then I'm going to go down and up. We'll make a line across for teeth. Then a little sad face for the tongue. And then just go ahead and color this part in. Next, I'm going to draw a line that curves here, 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 and then right here. Then here, let's draw a little line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then up. And a little curve here for the stem. Now let's add some little details on here. Let's make some arms. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. And then a second line here. Let's make a little bump for the thumb. And then let's curve this around for the hand. Let's do that same thing here. We'll kind of angle this one up a little bit more. Make a little line for the bump. A larger bump for the hand, and then bring this down. Now, for the legs, let's draw a line that's just going to come out and then in like this. We'll make a little bump here. Then we're going to bring this up and then just back here. Then let's draw a long line down here. Let's bring this line over. Bring it up and down and then back into here. Next, let's draw a line here and a line here. Another line and then a line here. We'll do one here and then one here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun little four-leaf clover. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.